with another video. Welcome back if you're returning, and welcome if you new here. What y'all been up to? I missed y'all. I want to say thank you again for all the love. And here we go, got one for y'all today. I'm looking at the computer screen behind me because y'all think I just keep these on my brain. I don't. Everything is within your power, and your power is within you, baby girl. Your power is within you, baby girl. So this is still going to be a moving vlog, but we are about to go to Jacksonville again. We were going to go to the beach, which we still might go to the beach, but it's a little cold, y'all. We were not expecting it to be a little windy and a little cold, and it's May. So we about to get ready to leave in a minute. We kind of currently waiting on him to pack. Let's go see what he's doing. But also, while we're there, y'all know I gotta hit Ikea, but only because I need some floating shelves. What you doing? See, he was about to do something he had no business doing. You pack?
Almost. You pack?
I just gotta shut my suitcase and get my soap and stuff.
Get my soap.
Okay.
Alright, come here.
No.
I need some energy.
You don't need energy. Come on, babe. I told you when we leave, it's gonna be 3 o'clock. You was trying to go to dinner? We was gonna be looking like some crazy.
I'm packing my pajamas now.
You still want to go to H&M?
Yes.
For what though? You got 2 outfits. You don't want to shop there?
Oh, I thought you meant H&M there. Yeah, I want to go to H&M there.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
So yeah, we about to be leaving in a minute.
Give me my stuff.
That's not yours.
You as true Negro.
What you mean?
Eating my stuff.
I asked you if you wanted something from the ice cream.
And what here?
No.
I said, give me the mango thing.
No, I was trying to get you to get something. And I was telling Angel, I was like, yeah, he don't want nothing. I'm about to get this for me. That's why I preserved it for me. And now you see me eating it. Now you want it.
You ever heard the saying, a lie don't care who tell it? I heard it saying, yeah.
Hell nah, that's
a
some
lie don't
old
care who
shit.
tell it.
I ain't that old. I ain't never heard nothing like that. Yeah, that's what you get. Alright, but I'm about to finish packing so we get on the road. So I'll talk to y'all when we get there.
I get you what you want, but you want me alone. Baby, I get you what you want, but you want me home. I get you what you want, but you want me alone.
We just made it to well, I would say Jacksonville, but not really in a sense. We just checked in the hotel and we are on the way to Ikea. We're not going in there because that's the big old store, and that's
She don't want to let me. She don't even let me ride that cardigan.
yeah, you right. You not riding that cardigan, but yeah, I just did a little pickup order, so we gonna pull up there and pick that up, and probably hit a couple stores afterwards. And they saw Insomnia Cookies, and now he not shutting up.
Yeah, she ain't.
So now we gotta get Insomnia Cookies.
I'm saying.
If we get Insomnia Cookies, we not going to the gym. little exit. That's.
We gonna get over in front of you. Sorry. Gotta do it.
But what kind of stuff was that just now? So yeah, we about to pull up to Ikea in a couple of minutes and get this stuff loaded. I wonder if they bring it to you.
Hopefully we won't be riding like last time. Them shelves were big, huh?
They are like 74.
74 inches, huh?
They are?
Yeah, that's pretty big.
We about to be stuffed in the car again. I mean, at least if push come to shove, we can put them in the hotel. They moving in. They about to.
This is not luggage.
They about to redo the whole hotel room. My battery's dying, and I'm pretty sure I just left my battery in the room. Possibly. Let's see.
Baby, I'm acting. I get you what you want. I don't want to wait too long. I don't want to wait too long.
Okay, so we at Ikea, and I guess they're gonna be showing up anytime.
Go to my number.
What you ask me? What you ask me?
Did you tell them our number?
Do you want to get body slammed?
Show the rules. Show the world how you really are. She be beating my ass. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. She tried to go.
Little old me.
Then I got like.
Little old me.
You little. Look at them arms.
Look at those arms. But alright, I'll let y'all know when they come. Just enjoy the palm trees.
Ha! You are recording them.
That's her, babe. Get out. Oh wait, where's she going? Oh, good babe, that's her.
Okay. You sure?
Yes. Babe, that's her. I'm telling you, yes. Just say Shauna to her. Babe. Dang. You ain't want to believe me.
No, I should get it.
Yeah, I got a little extra stuff.
Yeah, I see. I see you got. What's this?
That's to put the beads in.
Oh, okay.
See?
One Ziploc bags.
Yeah.
What's this? I didn't approve of this.
Yeah, but that's just temporarily.
I ain't approve.
Boy, come on.
Why you trying to add stuff to my kitchen?
That's just temporary.
Yeah, we ride like it again.
Dang, you just hit us.
I did.
Yeah.
We gotta ride like that again.
It can't go on the side of me?
To the left and right of you?
Yeah.
We could try. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, I'd rather it go on the side of me then.
That's only one though.
Okay, put the other one on your side.
Wow. Really?
You can put them both on mine.
No, I can't.
Or put one in the middle. Yeah.
Jesus. I gotta get a truck.
Why you did that?
Cause I can't see.
Okay, maybe you need to put yours in the middle then.
Nah. You wanna ride like this? I gotta ride. I know what I'm about to do.
What you about to do?
Put them on top of your head.
My head.
Okay. I'll be back.
You gonna do the other one?
Yeah.
I told you to do it like that. Okay, y'all. Once we get situated and whatnot, and y'all, we about to go in insomnia cookies. He's so thirsty for him, y'all. You gotta lock it.
Yeah. Hurry up. I've been waiting all day.
Okay.
Holding me hostage.
All right.
Hostage.
Okay. Well, like you was holding me hostage.
I need to find the shirt.
Did it come out clear? It did.
After you, my lady.
He's so greedy, y'all. He about to tear these cookies up. Me too, though. So, what you about to do, babe?
Leave me alone. Oh, look at that. It's falling apart.
Yeah, see, I don't see how y'all be liking crumble cookie. I heard they cookies hard.
Why you made me wait so long?
Nigga, what?
I tried to get it as soon as we got here.
Okay. You needed to have discipline.
Discipline.
They need to make one of these. They should have made this with crumble cookie at.
If your cookie wasn't so good, I'd discipline your butt right now.
He's talking to somebody in the backseat.
Yeah, some big old shells in the back seat.
I get snickerdoodle. He basic. What you get, basic?
Chocolate chunk. The best cookie ever man made.
My chocolate chip.
Chocolate chunk. It's chocolate chunk. See, you ain't an insomnia person.
I put you on. Name one thing you put me on. Name one thing you put me on.
I want her.
What? Turn the car on. What did you say? What you just said?
Nothing.
You fake.
I put you on me.
What's up, y'all? It is the next day. Whew, last night was a lot. I can't even remember the last thing that I told y'all we was about to do, but we ended up going to this restaurant called the Dak Shack, and it was my second time being there, but it was pretty good. It was pretty live. To be honest, it's probably the only thing they got to do in Jacksonville. So if you're ever in Jacksonville, check out the Dak Shack. Right now, we were gonna hit the beach, and we probably still will, but it's a little cold in Florida, y'all, and we wasn't expecting this because I want to say the temperature right now is 64 degrees. Baby, that's a lot. And don't look at my ashy ass lips. I'm looking for something right now to cure. You know what?
You want to know too much.
I heard what you said. Tell the viewers.
Tell the viewers,
Yeah.
always check the weather advisory.
He said always check the weather advisory. Anyway, so we probably might still walk on the beach, possibly, but we not we're not going to have our little picnic on the beach as planned. We are about to check out this brunch spot that's near the beach, so we're probably gonna do that. We are gonna hit, hopefully.
They lied. They said it was supposed to be like 78, 76.
I know, Alexa said that. Then we are about to hit Trader Joe's. So we don't have a Trader Joe's where I live, and all girlies been talking about Trader Joe's, so I want to go see what Trader Joe's got. Okay, but we're probably gonna do that on our head out. So if we do get groceries, we'll be going straight home. But I just wanted to give you guys a little update. I noticed this part of the video is not too much of moving, but it plays a process in my moving part because I had to come here to get my shelves, and we was just gonna make a trip out of it. Because if you didn't know, no matter where you are, Ikea charges, no matter where you are or what you're getting, Ikea charges you like $175 to deliver. Who? 170 what? 170 what? No ma'am, and my lips still a little dry. But yeah, we had a nice time last night and didn't even get in the house and get in the hotel until like 2 a.m. And so it's like 10 and we kind of just getting up out of bed, about to take a quick shower and then hit the street. This man ordered this big meal for himself. If he would have told me it was this big, we would have shared it. He has everything from pancakes to waffles to chicken to sausage to egg whites to French toast to hash browns. He has everything. And now this is my food, y'all. I could have ate that French toast over there because he's not even really about to eat it all. Look at him. Looking like he not. I dropped my damn phone, y'all. But anyways, look at him because he know he not about to eat all that food. I'm going to check back in with y'all to show y'all what he actually ate. And I'm going to show y'all what I actually ate. Well, I'm going to get him this omelet right quick. Y'all, he's saying he full. Let's check his plate. He ate a pretty good bit. He's still low-key eating. He's trying to act like he's not.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm full.
I bet you are.
Stuffed. How do I zoom?
You zoom like this, but it makes noise when you zoom.
It does that noise?
Yeah, it does like a little, you know. We just got done eating, and somebody is a stuffed pug over there.
Oh, not a pug. Call me a dog. Kind of rude.
I was gonna say pig. Would you want to be a pug or a pig?
Rather be a pig.
But you don't eat pig.
Exactly. Just like how Chick-fil-A, you don't eat cow.
That was so lame. You know where we going?
Oh.
Feel like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown.
Okay, shut up. Anyways, y'all, we on the beach and it's a little windy. Like I'm not
It's
even.
a lot of wind.
Yeah, it's cold.
Well, they said it though. They did.
Yeah, they said it was a wind advisory. It's cold, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. We was gonna put our feet in the water. We had bought a tent and all, but we left the tent at home because when we found out it was gonna be cold, we was like, oh yeah, we're not even about to really bring that because we're not about to be at the beach.
Yeah.
It's cold. I should have on a jogging suit right now and I would feel good.
Yeah.
Like if I put on a jogging suit, I could lay out in it.
Yeah. Some long sleeves or something.
Yeah.
We met the captain. some random guys playing music in his car. He said
Oh
he's
yeah,
the captain.
he was yelling captain just now, wasn't he? I didn't know what he was
said,
yelling.
I'm the captain. He's like, hope you enjoy. Right.
Okay.
We're getting started early.
Right. But let me show y'all a little bit around. Ooh. It probably look like we never been to a beach before. And we're not even in the beach. We're not even at the beach. But anyways, I just want to show y'all. I just want to show y'all around a little bit. But I want to go. Whatever we get into for the rest of the day, I will let y'all know. But this is funny right here because it's cold and we just parked and we probably about to go get back in the car.
I'm gonna park over here. See if we can get you
In the front? You need a car wash, baby. Okay, so we are about to go in Roots and Fruits Juicery. What are you hoping that they... I'm too damn zoomed in. What are you hoping that they have?
You know, I'm hoping that they have our
They better try to sell us.
the blue algae drink.
So we better come in there. I mean, going in.
Spray without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how great it is. Come up in your mouth, you was speaking good to me.
We are about to now hit Trader Joe's to see what we can find. The camera out fast enough, but this man drunk is already. Bottle is empty.
It's good, bro.
I was coming on here to show y'all what it actually is. It's fresh juice, but it has
What happened?
apple, blue algae, lemon, and pineapple. And they really want you to buy this as like a what, babe?
Oh, they be trying to. It's like
a meal.
It's not a meal plan, a juice plan.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I need to go there.
You need a quick lube? Get your oil change?
Yeah, it say Ladies' Day on Wednesday.
That's pretty cool.
Anyways, this is
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. All right, I'll record at the next place because I look like a stuffed potato. It's pissing me off. Can you hear this?
Sure.
Babe. Yeah, I want a buggy, but I also have to pee. Oh, these are real? I want a baby one. Those succulents?
Right. Feel like you are?
Ooh, they actually do have nice flowers. Sorry, I'm just thinking about what they said on YouTube. I mean, on the thing that I found. Oh, cause look at these. So say those not cute.
Yeah.
All right, they about to pick me some flowers. Those are different.
Yeah. I feel like I'm always getting roses for you.
What are those?
Hydrangeas.
I like those.
Shorty, it's only you and me. Fuck are you talking about? Oh, let's see me. Baby, I see you so much in my dreams. We gotta work it out. What are you talking about? Maybe I've been looking slow, but I only come up on a drum.
Y'all, he he gonna be pissed when he see me in this driver's seat.
Hey, oh, you keeping my seat warm. You shouldn't have. Can you climb back over?
Babe,
Yes.
I'm trying to drive.
You're trying to, but you're not.
Oh.
Then you did like a lazy behind climb.
I did it at the last minute. I saw you coming and I was like, oh.
Oh, let me hurry up.
And also put the camera on. And so I had to do like 10 things.
She tried it, guys. Come on, man. Come on. It's my manly duties. She loves it. She really front in front of y'all. She doesn't want to drive.
I do want to drive though.
You really don't.
You fake. So I did not get a chance to come back and close out the vlog from when we came back home from Jacksonville yesterday because we didn't end up doing anything. Listen, that was my cuddle time. I'm sorry. But stay tuned for the next video. We'll be putting up probably most likely the shelves we just bought and the wallpaper and all different type of stuff. So the next video is going to be filled with us doing house or apartment stuff. This one was just kind of like a moving vlog, going to pick up shit, having fun a little bit. But I'll catch y'all in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure you come back for the next video and comment, y'all, because guess what, the subscribers, we going up. We going up. So thank y'all for all the love and support. See y'all in the next one. But we are about to put up this wallpaper. We, as in me and my man.
Huh.
See? We about to put together. I'm bending down because he made this special angle and I don't want to move it. We about to put together the couch. Not really me. I might be back there laying down.
Putting together the what?
I mean, we about to put together this coffee table. Wait, babe, why are you folding up the cover?
You about to get under here?